Alright, and here it goes. Here's the final paint job. Now, it is not perfect. There are some spots like right there where the bodywork was not done the best by me. And it could always be fixed in the future. I'm not going to worry about it right now. It is a 25-year-old car. If you get up on it, there are some spots where you can kind of see the base coat, but they're painting a very light color over that base gray, so I understand they're not going to give me like complete coverage or perfect coverage. This is just something to keep on the car for maybe a couple years or so, just you know, just to make sure the car is one color. The hood, I did not do any prep work on the hood, and they pretty much nailed it. Looks great. My lights are turning yellow. I have to figure that out. But yeah, everything looks good, man. I'm not hiding anything. Let me back up. That's a $500 paint job for you. Now, one thing I will say, there is a little bit of orange peel. I mean, just a little bit. But I'm not going to worry about it. It doesn't bother me. Like I said, I was just trying to get paint on this car. One thing I am impressed with, they took the pinstripe off. Remember, there used to be a pinstripe and it was all crackling and breaking up, and I just thought, just paint over it. If it comes off, it comes off. But they took care of that. They also did the door handles. They did inside the door handles. So they took care of that. They did a lot of little things that I did not think I was going to get with the package. So I am very excited about that. They also sanded down right here where my emblems go. I do have the emblems, so they did sand that down, because it was like a raised surface, but they sanded it back down. But you know, all the little dents and things, you're still going to see them. But the car is one color again. That was really the point of this, is making sure the car was one color. Let me back up all the way. The car is one color again, so there you go. We're not done. We have some things we have to do. We have to do the headliner. I'm probably going to put a different radio in there, but headliner, visors, on the outside. I need to find some headlights, because these headlights they're not the same actually. See, these are horizontal lines, and then these are vertical lines. They're actually not the same. So I need to find some headlights. But other than that, as you can see, all this down here, like, it's not perfect. It's definitely not perfect. You can see every little rock chip. I tried to fix some of it, but it is what it is, man. For a 25-year-old car, you're not gonna get perfection. You gotta live with it. And for me, I'm more than excited just to have the car back one color. So, is it worth the $499 plus taxes and fees to make it $700? I don't know. When paint booths are about $1,000 on Amazon and the paint is like $200, I mean, you're really looking at a $500 difference, and you'll be able to paint as many cars as you want. So, I'm not really sure if it's economical to somebody like me who's not afraid to buy a paint booth and do it themselves. But if you just want the speed, you just want to get it over and done with, you know, the $700 is very economical. I probably am going to get another car done, but like I said, I'm leaning towards getting a paint booth. But I might go back to MAACO again. Just depends on, you know, how fast I'm trying to get things done. But yeah, other than that, I just got to throw these badges back on. Probably going to go to the scrapyard, try to find some headlights. Like I said, I want to get a different radio. Little small things I want to do. I got to pull the headliner out and recover the headliner. You guys will see that in another video. I need to take these off, repaint them, and get new wiper blades. But just small stuff I have to do. Just small little maintenance things I have to do. I'm really liking the paint job, especially from where we came from. This is a really big difference.